So Tatau Manaia is a movement, and then it's a program we formed 3 years ago. Me and my wife had a passion to set a platform so we could work with our young youth from the ages of 5 to 21, where we would learn about Siva Samoa culture, dancing, and also language. But with the day and age, the most important is well-being and building confidence throughout in our program and in our families.
Alofa, we are Tatau Manaia. Keep it fresh!
The best thing is about Tatau Manaia is the brotherhood that we have and the fellowship that we create within the safe space that we create ourselves.
We have teamwork, love for each other, and we work together as a team.
And the bond we create through dancing and expressing our culture.
So far, it's definitely learning Siva Samoa and also songs, understanding what it means and what it means in the community, and also building a lot of confidence in themselves. Comes to the simplest thing is like taking a t-shirt off and just wearing a lava and just be out in the open, and confidence to be in front of a crowd.
Alofa lava, we are Tatau Manaia. So, keep it fresh. Keep it fresh.
So tonight's our first ever formal showcase ever since we started. We've been just learning and teaching our kids through the years, but also just had a few opportunities to travel out and to Arizona twice to our family in Taule'ale'a in USA. So just doing projects here and there, but we've never really showed the community, showcase to the community and what we've learned over the years. And we felt like after COVID as well, and it's a nice way to end the year and to show our parents and show our families what we've been working on for the past 3 years, and especially this year. Hey everyone, much love from Tatau Manaia, so keep it fresh, boom, bop.